What's up, everybody? In this video, we're going to be talking about what I think is probably going to be the best penny stock of 2021. That's exactly right. SunHydrogen, ticker symbol HYSR, is probably going to be the best penny stock of 2021. And if you want to see some explosive gains in your portfolio, I definitely think that this is going to be a stock that could do it. Now, with that being said, we saw a roughly 10% pullback on Friday. Now, is this an excellent opportunity to get into the stock, or could we see a slightly bigger pullback before it shoots back up and starts to go to the moon, right? Well, stay along for the rest of this video. We're going to analyze the price a little bit with what we've got here and see whether or not on Monday we should be entering this trade. So if that sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay. I'm here to make 2021 the best year ever. We're going to grow our portfolios together, and we're going to grow together. Now, if you like the content on this channel, don't forget to click that like button. If the subscribe button is still red, I don't know why, guys, make sure to click that subscribe button, become a bro, and let's grow together. Now, if you're not exactly sure what SunHydrogen does, I made a video on it about 5 days ago at the beginning of the week, and you can go ahead and click this here to see that video and just see everything about what they do and why I believe they're going to be an amazing stock this year. They're in the clean energy and in the hydrogen space, and it's completely revolutionizing the industry, and they've got a long way to go before they stop. So now, with that being said, where are they trading at? So the price last week when I posted the video was around 12 cents per share. Now, I know some of you already got into the stock the day that I posted the video, and you got in for around 12 cents a share, and that's amazing. You've already almost doubled your money just in 1 week alone. Okay, now, penny stocks are inherently dangerous. They go up, they go down, and they go quick. They move fast. Now, with this being said, they went from 12 cents a share at the beginning of the week all the way up to around 23 cents per share yesterday. And now they closed around 21 cents per share. So what does this mean for us on Monday going into the trading day? Is this something we should add to our portfolio if you're not invested in it yet? Or if you're invested in it yet, is it something that maybe you should consider taking the profits on already, seeing as how you've already doubled your money? Now, here's how I'm going to play it. I think on Monday, if the stock opens higher than today's close, I think this would be an excellent opportunity to add it to our portfolios. I think that throughout the course of the year, with the new administration pushing clean energy and all of the innovations that SunHydrogen is pushing in this space, I see so much upside potential for this company that I believe it shouldn't just be a pump and dump stock. You shouldn't get in and get out quick, unless, of course, that's your style. If you're a day trader, by all means, take your profits, take your gains, and move on to the next thing. But if you're here for the long run, if you're going to invest, and we see it moving higher on Monday, I think we can go ahead and pull the trigger. Now, always, especially if you're investing in penny stocks, I will always recommend using a stop loss. Okay, it is okay if it falls back down after we get in and it taps our stop loss and we get out. It'll be okay because we always have the opportunity to buy back and live again. Now, if we don't use a stop loss and something drastic happens and it just tanks, of course, we're going to be out of luck. We're going to be very upset, and stop losses are there for a reason, guys. I know it's really annoying sometimes if we use them and our stop losses get touched and then the stock takes off, but we have to use them for a reason. We have to keep emotion out of our trading plans. So Monday, what happens if the stock starts to fall? If the stock is falling on Monday and you don't have it in your portfolio yet, I would never recommend buying a falling stock, okay? Think about it. If you buy a falling stock, there's no floor where the stock has to stop falling. And you would have to be extremely lucky to get in as it's falling and then pick the exact moment it turns around. So with that being said, you get in as the stock's falling, and then it's most likely going to continue to fall. So right off the bat, you're losing money. This is not something that we want to do. We want to be gaining and earning money right off the bat. So if the stock opens lower Monday, or if it's starting to fall Monday at the open, I would say hold on and wait. If you already have it in your portfolio, make sure you do have a stop loss on there, because this stock has had some exponential gains in a very short amount of time, and I'm sure there are a lot of people who are already looking to take their profit on SunHydrogen HYSR. So if you guys already have it in your portfolios, let me know down in the comments below, because I've already talked to some of you and I know you have it in your portfolios and you've done very well this week, and it makes me excited and really inspires other investors to see these success stories and to read about and see that you can make money investing in the market. It is possible. It's not something that we talk about, and it really sets you up for the future. So with that being said, guys, if you like the content on this channel, don't forget to click that like button. And if the subscribe button is still red, do me a favor, go ahead, click that subscribe button, become a bro, and let's grow together throughout the rest of this year. Now, until the next time, I hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.